Welcome to Paul Offshore Fishing, everybody. Don't really have a fishing video today, but I am coming at you with a current event. I'm going to share with you some footage of Tropical Storm Arthur. Hurricane season isn't supposed to start till June 1st, but I guess North Carolina is a little bit of an overachiever. I drove around town and got some footage of me coming into work real early this morning. We're kind of getting in the tail end of everything now, but I got some footage from the other day. I'm going to show you some places that were inundated with water. Just keep in mind that under storms like this, they're typically inundated with water anyways. But overall, for storms, this really wasn't a bad one for us. We got I think the most wind we got last night was about some gust up to 40 mile an hour through the night. They weren't sure, the forecasters weren't sure if it was going to come on land or skirt the coast, but it's looking like it's just going to skirt us now. Got some photos or some footage from Mike's Weathers page, and he got those courtesy of the National Weather Service, so I'm going to input those here in a minute. Hope you enjoy, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with any special videos like this one in the future, and so you can catch some tips that I'm going to share with you guys, and hopefully we can learn something together. Anyways, enjoy, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.